Hello, this is AJ Macdonald with Macdonald Financial Services. I have Devin Jones here. We're going to talk about what happened last week in the economy, the markets. Little bit of action last week.
Yeah, you want to talk about rocket ships first?
How about SpaceX?
Yeah, SpaceX.
Started the IPO, went out on Friday. Yeah, big bump on Friday.
Big bump. Largest IPO ever.
I think they're top 10 public companies now ever.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I think it's higher than that. But,
made Musk a trillionaire.
First trillionaire. So another thing, they don't actually make money.
You know, so there's a habit with his companies of not making money, but still pricing relatively nice on the market.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think in the first quarter they lost over $5 billion when they were still private. Maybe it was $4 billion. I think last year they lost $5 billion profit.
Yeah. So they're not making money at this point. So
no,
it's kind of a mystery. Obviously, there's a lot of good feelings around it. People were buying it up. They said a lot of retail investors were buying it up.
Oh man, a lot of people love Elon Musk. Yeah. Well, so it's SpaceX. It's what used to be Twitter.
Right.
It's his AI company.
Mm-hmm.
And I heard that he might folded Tesla.
Is that right? I hadn't heard that. Starlink's a part of it. So.
Starlink, right? Yeah. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll see. Big news though. Big news on Friday.
Big news. Yeah, it had a real. I mean, it did pop. It popped up where it originally started at $135 a share, but came out and bounced around a little bit. So we'll see. See where it goes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
We weren't clamoring to buy it.
So. No. The UFC fought on the White House. White House lawn.
White House lawn.
On Trump's birthday.
Right. Yeah. For those of you that thought that it was going to be maybe pickleball that they would play around there, no.
UFC fights.
UFC fights.
You watch them?
No.
Yeah, neither did I.
No. So. I mean, there were clips out there, but I did not watch the UFC fights.
No. So we also got on the not so good news. We got the inflation number came out last week on Wednesday. Not good.
Not good. I mean, the markets are actively trying to price in, a 1 or 2 Fed hikes now, where it was 2 Fed cuts to start the year, which we said was not probably going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's showing it's sticky. I mean, the core inflation is sticking around.
Yeah, I think it came in at 4.2%. That's not good. That's not where the Fed wants it. You combine that with the new jobs that were created in May. The Fed meets in another couple weeks. Highly unlikely they do anything at all.
Right. Yeah. Warsh has got himself. His first meeting is going to be very interesting, because there is zero chance they're going to.
They're not cutting.
Cut.
No.
Zero. Some think that there might be a hike.
I don't. Yeah.
I don't think we're in that camp, but certainly it'll be interesting to see what comes out of that meeting. They're going to have to address it sooner or later because it's stubborn. It's kind of clawing its way back up. So.
Yeah. Let's see. So how about the Knickerbockers?
Yeah. They won the NBA championship. I'm not the biggest NBA guy, and I did watch a little bit of it. But
well, I lose interest after the Nuggets get knocked out.
I kind of do too. Man, did you see the price of those tickets though? I mean, when they were playing in New York, I mean, the cheap seats, the nosebleeds were $10,000 plus just to get in the door.
Dumb.
Crazy. But yeah, they did win.
Yeah, I was not rooting for them.
No, I was not.
No, was not. They also the Knicks in game 4-5. They had the largest comeback in NBA Finals history by 29 points and ended up winning by 1. I did watch that game. Was very disappointed.
No, I was too. In any of those situations, there is a team that chokes it away more than a team wins it.
Yeah. So I didn't even watch. I think it was Saturday night. Didn't even watch that game. Yeah. I knew it was done. Then how about the Carolina Hurricanes?
Carolina Hurricanes won. First time in 20 years.
20 years? I think it was 06. Mm-hmm. They won again previously.
They
So
won the NHL, won Stanley's Cup.
yeah, Lord Stanley. Vegas, of course, swept the Avalanche. Kind of lost interest after that happened too.
Yep. And evidently they lost interest as well because they got beat pretty handily.
I think it was game 6.
Yeah,
I mean,
4-2.
so it was a little bit better. And last but not least, Sunday night, President Trump says war in Iran is over.
Yep. It's over. The Strait will be opening soon. No fees, I heard.
Free passage.
Free passage, full speed ahead.
I think, yeah, he, in his Truth Social post said, boat, start your engines. Get them going. But I believe very little is known about the agreement. They're going to sign the agreement on Friday in Geneva, Switzerland. Iran actually did confirm that. So
then, I mean, it took them a while.
Yeah,
it wasn't right out of the gate, but yeah, I did hear that. So.
Details to follow. I think it's more of a ceasefire, a 60-day ceasefire, and so I think stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Things might not be as rosy as they appear right now. So, anything else?
We'll see. No, I think that wraps it up for last week.
Yep. Well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give the office a call.